Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, you wonderful people. Has your light bulb stopped working or broken down? And did you go out and buy a brand new one? Well, you can now bring it back to life easily, making it shine just like new. After connecting the bulb to a power source for testing, I found that this LED bulb is indeed faulty. This means we can fix it in an easy and practical way, as you will see in this video. In today's video, we will explore how to repair a dead lead bulb and get it to light up perfectly, just like a new one. I will now disassemble it and start the repair process step by step. First, I'll remove the plastic diffuser cover to take a closer look inside and find the faulty component. I'll use a knife to make the process of opening the bulb cover easier. I will carefully insert the tip of the knife and work my way around the edge. All right, that's done. Let's take a look inside the LED bulb. These yellow dots are the actual LED chips, and if just one of these chips fails, the lamp simply won't work. Therefore, the first thing we need to check is the condition of these LED chips. I will secure the lamp in place now, so we can begin the inspection practically and directly. I will need a 9-volt battery and a 9-volt battery clip. We will also need 2 sewing needles. I will connect the battery clip to the terminals on the battery. Next, I will strip the insulation from the small copper wires to attach them to the needles. I am connecting the needles to the 9-volt battery clip. These will serve as our probes to help us search for the exact faulty component. And now, I will check each small LED chip one by one. We must touch the correct polarity of the 9-volt battery to the terminals of each LED chip, the red wire to the positive terminal, and the yellow wire to the negative terminal. In this way, current will flow from the battery to the LED. If the LED is working, it will light up. If it does not light up, then that small damaged LED is the cause of the failure. Since these LEDs are connected in series, whenever one LED fails, it cuts the entire circuit, and all the other lamps stop working as well, rendering the bulb dead. Finally, I have found the faulty LED. To avoid confusion, I will mark it. This tiny chip right here is the reason the bulb failed to light up. It looks like I have successfully found the broken LED chip. Now that the problem is identified, it's time to fix it. We will clearly mark the faulty component. All we need to do now is either replace the defective chip or simply bridge the connection so the electric current can flow through. Next, we will remove the small LED board or holder to make replacing the faulty component easier. We will remove this damaged part easily by heating it. We have removed the damaged part that caused the lamp to stop working. We will replace it. I have an old LED panel. It is likely that one of its LEDs is still usable. Let's test one of them and choose a good one. The testing method is the same as before. This one seems to still work. I'll heat the area underneath to loosen it. The chip has come loose. I'll pick it up now. Let's start by installing this working LED chip onto the original board. Now I'll carefully place the new chip where the broken one was. Time to check its orientation before installing it. The negative terminal should be on the left side. Let me adjust it a little. Great. It's in the correct position now. I'll press it gently and start heating it. There must be some solder or glue on the board. So, by applying heat and gentle pressure. Okay, the new LED chip is now firmly attached to the board. Let me wipe this burnt-on spot with a tissue. Okay, now we can reattach the LED to the lamp. Make sure you connect the two wires to their correct terminals. I'll reconnect the lamp to the power supply and test it. Wow, the lamp is glowing brightly again. Everything seems to have worked perfectly. Now it's time to replace the plastic cover. That's it, I've successfully repaired the broken LED lamp. If you don't have spare LED chips to replace, no problem at all. You can simply replace the faulty bulb with a piece of metal. All you need is a conductive material. Using a few simple household tools, I successfully repaired a broken LED bulb. Try it and share your results with me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thank you so much.